Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe.
Throw your hands up and point them to the floor. Here's what to do now, get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, beep beep like a sheep. You got to beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep. You got to beep beep. I said beep beep like a sheep.
Yeah, so, you know how to beep like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do?